How to change your wallpaper on iPhone. Changing wallpaper on iPhone is a very simple and easy process. On your device, open Settings, navigate to your settings and open it. Now at the very top, click on the search bar. In the search bar, search for wallpaper. Now you will see the wallpaper option. Click on wallpaper. Here you will see your current wallpaper. Click on the customize option below the wallpaper. Now from here you can customize various widgets and icons. To change to a new wallpaper, click on add new wallpaper. Now this kind of menu will open. Here you can scroll and swipe to see more options. There are different kind of wallpapers available, and these wallpapers are separated by various sections. If you want to add any kind of photos from your gallery, then click on photos. Additionally, there is also the live photo option available. By using the live photo option, you can put up live wallpaper. To make the wallpaper dynamic and change throughout the day, you can click on photo shuffle. By photo shuffle, you will get a new wallpaper each time you open your device. That's all for today. Thank you.